Hello parents, have you completed your education benefit forms? Normally we do not push this hard, but in today's day and age, securing funding is tougher than ever. Several districts are competing for this funding. Completing the education benefit form will provide the district with the resources we need for our programs. To provide you with more information, here is our Director of Child Nutrition, Michelle Kierse.
Hello, my name is Michelle Kierse. I am the Director of Child Nutrition, and I am reaching out to you today because we need your help. 5 minutes of your time will greatly impact the resources we can offer to our students as a district. When you complete an education benefit form, you are helping our schools maximize state funding. Education benefit forms are directly tied to curriculum and instruction. They allow us to provide a greater variety of resources and support for our district. Our district is under the community eligibility provision. This means that all of our students eat for free regardless of their income. This includes breakfast, lunch, supper, and snack. We also use the funding to pay teachers, purchase books, maintain the facilities, pay for repairs, and so much more. The form is very short and should only take about 5 minutes to complete. You can go to palmdalesd.org, click on Parents/Students. Under Parent Resources, click on Education Benefit Form. Type your first and last name, enter how many members are in your household, and select your annual income range. Enter your students' information, sign, and submit. You can also scan the QR code and it will take you directly to the online form.
Hello, my name is Ms. Robinson and I am the District Parent Liaison. If you need help filling out the form, don't worry. Your school's Parent Community Liaison are here to guide you every step of the way. We can talk to you through it over the phone or schedule a meeting. Thank you so much for supporting our students and helping us provide them with a quality education.
Palmdale leads.
Palmdale School District, keeping the Palmdale promise.